Good morning. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, that is animal growth and multiplication. Reproduction. Reproduction is made up of two words. Re means again and production means produce. It means that already present organism on this earth give birth to their own kind to maintain the life on the earth or to replace the old and the dying forms which is present on the earth. If we do not reproduce, they will disappear from the earth like dinosaurs. So the process by which the living thing produce the young one of their own kind is known as reproduction. How do animals reproduce? Animals reproduce in two ways: by giving the birth to their baby directly or by giving the egg, just like bird and frog. Animal that lay eggs. Animal that lay eggs are known as egg laying animal. It means that they first give egg and then egg get hatched after certain time or certain period of time, and the babies come out from that. Fish, snake, turtle, insect are the example of the animals that lay egg. Bird are reproduced by laying egg, as they build nests so that they can protect their egg from being eaten up by other animals. After laying eggs, the mother bird or the father bird sit on the egg to keep them warm so that they can get hatched within the few weeks, and this process is known as incubation. After when the baby get fully developed, the mother and father take care of baby bird. Growth and development inside the egg. As the egg of all birds have a almost similar structure, only the size is different. The outer covering of the egg, which is white in color, which protect the internal soft part of the egg, is known as the eggshell. Within the egg, two parts is there: the white color liquid albumen and the yellow color part yolk. The yolk is that part which contain the developing baby, known as the embryo. When the warmth is provided by the parent to the egg, the embryo converted into a baby by using the fat which is present in the yolk and the protein which is present in the albumen. And this process in which the growth of embryo starts and become a mature adult is known as life process. Now some other laying animals, frog. Frog also lays hundred of eggs in a water. As the frog know, number of the eggs get eaten up by the other animals or it get damaged due to the water current or the different natural calamity. That's why the frog lay hundreds of eggs so that some of the babies get survive. The frog gives the egg in a form of a group which is known as swarm. After a few weeks, the swarm get hatched and comes into the tadpole. Tadpole is very different from the adult frog. It only lives in water. Adult frog live on land and water as well. The tadpole has fins and tail to swim in water. Adult frog have webbed feet and legs to jump on water. So the number of changes that tadpole make to convert itself into an adult frog is known as metamorphosis. Next is fish. Fish lay eggs in a water. Fish lay thousands of eggs. As she also know that the eggs and the baby fishes can be eaten by the other fishes. The fish also shows number of changes: egg converted into the larva fish converted into fry converted into the juvenile, and then into the adult fish. So this is the life cycle of the fish. Reptiles are those animals which crawl on the land like lizard, turtle, snake, and they have very soft shelled eggs on the ground. They lay the egg. The parent do not care of them. As the egg layer hatch here are warmed by the sun, only after few weeks they develop into the young ones and they can be eaten up by the other animal as well. Next is the insect. Insect reproduce by laying eggs. During their growth, the young ones inside them shed off their skin and the covering and converted into the adult. And this process is known as molting. Insects like grasshopper and the cockroach have a three stages of life. Like of cockroach, the egg is converted into the nymph, which is look like a adult cockroach, and nymph is converted into a adult cockroach. Whereas in the butterfly, also having a four stages, after egg the caterpillar come out. The caterpillar is completely different from the adult butterfly. Then the caterpillar go into the stage known as pupa, and after the pupa it converted into the adult butterfly. Just like that, the housefly also having a stage which is known as maggot, after which it goes into the pupa and then it comes out form of a fly. Animal that give birth to the baby. We know that animals give birth to the are known as mammals. Mammals are the group of animals that gives directly birth to the baby. Mother take care the baby inside the womb as well as after the birth of the baby. She cares the baby. She care for the baby. Tell the baby how to live, how to find food, how to do the different activities of the life. Care of young ones. Mammal take care of their babies. Mother suckles her baby that she feed them with their own milk. She also protect them from the enemies as she teach them how to find the food and live their own. Even the male hunt for the food and also guard their young one baby. Thank you and have a nice day.